Hey boys and girls, today we are going to start learning about time, and you all have this clock in your KVA manipulative bag. This is an analog clock. That's where you see the round clock face. That means analog. And that's just a fancy word for this type of clock. We're going to talk about the parts of the clock today. So this round part and everything in it is the clock face. Your clock has two hands. Your longer hand is your minute hand, and your shorter hand is the pink hand, the hour hand. Now, on a clock that you see on the wall when you go to the doctor's office or wherever you go, it's not going to have blue for minute and pink for hour. So a good way to remember that is that the longer one is the minute hand and the shorter one is the hour hand. When we look at the hour hand, it tells us what hour it is, and the minute hand tells us how many minutes have passed. Clocks count by fives, and there's 12 numbers on them. So we go this way when we read a clock, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Each number we count by 5. So at 1 it would be 5, 2, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25, 6, 30, 7, 35, 8, 40, 8, 45, 10, 50, 11, 55, and 12, 60. We count by 5 for the minutes, and these big numbers on the clock tell us the hour. So whenever I look at my two clock hands right now, they're both pointing up. So the hour hand is pointing at 12, and the minute hand is pointing out 12 too, which means 60 minutes. So it is 12 o'clock right now on this clock. If I moved the minute hand 5 minutes, then it would be 12:05. If I moved it another 5 minutes, it would be 12:10. If I changed the hour, our hour hand is pointing at 1, and our minute hand is pointing straight up at 12, so that means it is 1 o'clock. All right, boys and girls, we're going to be working with these clocks and our time for the rest of the week. So make sure you have this handy and ready to use during your small group lesson.